Hello friends, this is DK Gautam and thank you for joining Interview Point.
Hello friends, so in this video I am gonna show you how to find out a number is a prime or number. So first we need to understand what is prime number. A prime number is a number which is divisible by only two numbers. One and itself is called prime number. So if any number is divisible by any other number, it is not a prime number. Okay, so that is the simple definition. So I am going to create one console applications to write our program. So just create our application console app, and this is the location and console application create. So now it's going to create one console application for us to use it. Actually this is Visual Studio 2009, so it's done. So now I am going to write our program here. Okay, so this is suppose by default class is added here. So I'm not gonna use this. Okay, so suppose I am going to create another class. Okay, so I will say add and class. I will name it as a prime number. So prime number. Okay, it's just simple. So actually this program is having a main method, and I also need a main method to run our program. As you know that main method is a starting point to execute our program. So I am having this, and now I am going to, so like this line is not required for us. Okay, so let me do one thing first. I want to run this program prime numbers and not this one. So I need to set the startup object. So just right click on the project and go to the properties and select the class name that you want to startup object. Startup object is my prime number. Okay, so now we will not get any error. Okay, so now as we know that the prime as we know that a main method is a starting point of any our application. So any application, as we know that main method is a starting point of any application. So here we are having two main method in the program and prime number. So this will be the default now I have created. Okay, so what is the prime number that I have told you that number is divisible by only one and itself is called prime number. So now I am going to write the logic. Okay, so first I need to create two variables. Suppose I need one variable to get the value from the user. So suppose that variable is num, and another variable I am taking suppose bool, and this variable is used to we have to maintain that number is prime or not. So for that I am just going to create is prime. Okay, so by default I am assigning it true. Okay, so that two variables I have created. Now I will ask to the user to enter a number. Okay, so it is very simple program, just understand. And now I need to read this value into the num variable. For that, console.readline, and this value I need to pass into the integer because num will be the integer value. So that's why I need to pass int.parse. Okay, so this is done now I need one for loop here. Okay, so for loop I need to find out the number. So first we need to understand what is the logic to find out the number. Suppose I am having a number 5. So this number is divisible by only 1 and 5. You can see that this number cannot be divisible by 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. So like that, suppose I am having another number is suppose 6. Okay, so 6, if first we can divide any number with 1 and itself. Okay, apart from that, suppose I am going to try it out by 2, then this number is divisible by. Okay, so we can say directly this number is not a prime number, but 5 is a prime number. Suppose I will take here as say 7. If I will divide it by 2, it will not divisible. If I will try it by 3, it is not divisible. I will try to divide it by 4, then it also not divisible. But here we can see here, I will say one more example here. Suppose this is the 10. Okay, I want to divide it by 2. It is divisible by 2. 3, it is not divisible by 3, and 4, it is not divisible by 4, and 5, it is divisible by 5. But if I will go to the 6, then it will not come into the 6 table. 10 will not come. So what we understand here, we don't want to go to the number half of the number. Okay, so we will try it out by fifth. Okay, so we will try it by half of the number. So this is the 10. So I want to find it out by half number. So how we can find it out the half number? So to find out the half number is, so suppose I am creating one variable like m. Okay, suppose middle number I want to find it out. So middle number, so how I will get by using the division operator. So what I will do here, by 2. Okay, like that. Okay, so this condition I am not going to use, I will replace this condition. So that we have understand the logic here. Now I am going to write our logic here. So for suppose int I is equal to int I, I'm just going to start by 2 because every number is divisible by 1, so that's why I'm not taking from 1. Okay, and after that, and what I have, till I want to execute this loop till the middle of this number. Suppose I can say here m. Instead of m, I will directly write here like num divided by 2. Okay, so this thing is not required. So this thing is not required. Now I will say I plus plus here. Okay, I hope you understand my point. Yeah, that line that I have removed, I just used here. Okay, I don't want to go beyond half of the number, so that's why I'm using num divided by 2. Okay, now here our logic will start here. So here first we need to check. Okay, we need to check the number is, if suppose if we will get the remainder is 0. Okay, if we will get the remainder is 0, that time we can say the number is not prime. Okay, that means we can say the number is divisible by 2. Okay, so first time loop will come in the I value will be 2. So suppose I will say here is prime is equal to is false. So here is false. Okay, sorry. Okay, now after that what I have to do here, I have to write the print the line. So console dot write line, and I have to write here suppose number here is 0 is not a prime number. Okay, this simple line I have to write here, and what I have to do here, I need to break the loop. Okay, this is the program that I have done. Now here I have to check the condition. If is true, like is prime is true, if we will get is true, it means loop doesn't go here. Okay, our controller doesn't went here, so that's time we can consider that our number is a prime number. So I just need to write this line here. We can consider it our number is a prime. Okay, and after that what I have to write here, so actually this is only single line, so it is not required here. And finally I have to write the console.read line. Okay, so that is the main logic. Now I have to tell you the logic how it will work. Suppose I am taking a number is 5. Okay, 5, as we know that it is not a prime number. Suppose I am taking 6 even number I am taking, so half of the 6 is 3. Okay, so first we will check by 2. I value is 2. We will check here num divided by 2. So num divided by 2 will be like 6 and divided by 2. So here we will get remainder is 0. At that time what we can consider this number is not prime. Okay, so that's why we are going inside this and we are saying that is prime is equal to false. Okay, when this prime is equal to false, then this code will not be executed and this code will be executed. Okay, and after that we will break that loop. Okay, so that is the main point here. And suppose and the second time, and in the first time we are just like if we will check that number is not prime, then we are just directly printing the statement number is not prime, and then we are breaking. Suppose if we will not get into the 2, suppose we will get now again that number will be 3, and this number is also divisible by 3. okay, but if we will go to the 4, then 6 will not come into the 4 table. So that's why I'm just finding out by middle of this number. Okay, so 6 of middle of the 6 is 3, so that's why I'm checking till the half number. Okay, so that is the main logic of this program. I hope you understand my point. So I'm just going to run this program. So if you are not able to see this program clearly, so I'm just going to increase the font size. Suppose I hope this is now visible for you. I missed one line here. Okay, here num, the same thing I need to do here. Okay, because I want to print out this num in this 0. Okay, so now I'm just going to run it again. So I'm just going to put the input as 5. So we can see number 5 is a prime number. So it is a prime number because this number is divisible by only 5 and 1. Okay, suppose now I'm going to enter 6. Now we can see the output 6. See, number 6 is not a prime number. I hope you understand this point. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime through comment. I will respond to you as soon as possible. So guys, this code is available on my blog. I will provide you the link of this code in my video description.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next video. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. You can follow me on my Facebook page. This is the blog URL. So I will provide you both of the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys.